What's a grand life? Well, it's all about grand homes, a grand community, and grander surroundings. Welcome to Montvert Grand, Pasharn, where a grand life comes alive. Spread across 5 acres, Montvert Grand offers a rich community living experience at Pasharn with more than 240 happy families already living here. Montvert Grand comprises of beautiful 2 and 3 BHK homes, strategically located in Pasharn. The project offers great all-round connectivity and avenues from Hinjawdi to Baner and workspaces to leisure. Along with a thoughtful location, the homes too are thoughtfully planned to give ample lighting, great ventilation and privacy. No wonder the current families staying here are so happy. Montvert Grand offers grand rejuvenation within its premises too. Carefully chosen ready amenities for everyone ensures every day is a grand experience.
It's wonderful to be part of the MVG. It's very good. Like as you come in through the gate, you can see, there is happy atmosphere. There is a park for the children. There's a swimming pool. There are lawns. So generally, it's a very live place.
10 years का experience तो बहुत अच्छा है. Community भी हम लोग का neighborhood सब काफी अच्छा bonding है.
I was one of the first people to book a flat in these modern Montverts. And at that time, this was the biggest and the only modern society on Sus Road. It's been a wonderful experience right from the day I took possession. Because at that time, Jain Bhai had a plan that a person should just move into his flat and start living. So he gave all the amenities that were there.
मुझे लगता है मॉन्टवर्ट ग्रैंड में जितने amenities दिए हैं, बहुत कम buildings में इतने amenities हैं. जैसे मैं खुद भी swimming, gym, yoga, प्लेइंग एरिया सभी कुछ यूज़ करती हूँ. दो मेरे घर में तो छोटे बच्चे नहीं हैं, लेकिन मेरे ग्रैंडसन वगैरह जब आते हैं तो दे आर वेरी हैप्पी, क्योंकि वो लोग बॉम्बे से आते हैं तो उन्होंने इतनी जगह देखी ही नहीं होती है. तो यहाँ के गार्डन्स, ये इतना ओपन स्पेस सब कुछ मिलता है तो बच्चे तो बहुत खुश हैं. और सब तरह के कोच हैं हमारे पास, स्विमिंग का, वॉलीबॉल, बास्केटबॉल, टेनिस, सब कोचेस हैं. तो बच्चों के लिए तो बहुत अच्छा है ये.
सोसायटीत राहिल्या आल्यापासूनच इथे टायकोंडो ॲक्टिव्हिटी चालू होती. मुलगी माझी 4 वर्षाची असल्यापासून टायकोंडो करते. आता ती नॅशनल लेवलची खूप चांगली टायकोंडो प्लेयर झाली आहे. इंटरनॅशनलचे पण तिला मेडल मिळालेले आहेत. तर त्याचा हे सगळं मॉन्टवर्ट सोसायटीत आल्यामुळं मुलं पण खूप हॅपी आहेत. त्यांना इथून दुसरीकडे कुठे जायचंच नसते. हॉलिडे सेलिब्रेट करायला पण त्यांना मॉन्टवर्टमध्येच राहायचं असते.
Also, this place is extremely well connected, and all the essentials of modern living are available close by.
And my husband goes to Hinjawdi, so it's very convenient for him to go. And it's not very crowded, so it's really very good. We have 3 BHK house, and the layout is really very good and convenient. Room sizes are very good.
I'm very happy with this house. और इतना खुश हूँ कि मैं दूसरा घर रेडी है उसमें शिफ्ट होना नहीं चाहती हूँ because of this society.
Montvert homes are a mark of excellence, and Montvert Grand is no exception. Book your home today and be a part of Pasharn's best community. Montvert has a strong legacy of building projects at prime locations in the city. Even today, Pasharn Sus Road is decorated with lifestyle-rich homes by Montvert. We love to create happy neighborhoods. Here's to more journeys full of smiles.